A warm welcome to all our viewers. This is crackBOTics team, and today we are going to present before you how to make a blinking LED circuit. This circuit comprises of an IC. This is IC 555, which is very versatile IC. This circuit comprises of two resistors and one capacitor. It also has an LED and a resistor attached to it. Let's have a look at the connections. Pin number 4 is attached to pin number 8 and pin number 2 is attached to pin number 6. The pin number 3 is the output terminal where you will get the oscillating frequency. Pin number 1 is ground and pin number 5 is the control voltage where if you want you can ground it or else you can just place it open. Now let's look at how the resistors and the capacitors are placed. A resistor R1 is placed between pin number 8 and pin number 7. A resistor R2 is placed between pin number 7 and pin number 2. And a capacitor is placed between pin number 2 and the ground. Make sure whenever you connect the capacitor, always make sure that the positive terminal is connected to the pin number 2 and the negative terminal is connected to the ground. For people who are new to electronics, let me tell you what's the meaning of ground. Grounding means nothing but giving the negative potentials to a terminal which are to be ground. For example, a battery has two terminals, that is a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The positive terminal supplied is to be given to the pin terminal 8, while the terminals which are to be ground are to be given a negative terminal. That is, the negative terminal of the battery is to be connected to every of the terminal which is to be ground. So this is how all this works, and the values of the resistors and the capacitors are given at the end of this video. Well, it's quite easy to get confused from where to start. For example, this IC 555, you have 8 pins in total. Now always make sure whenever you name the pins, always make sure that you start from the notch. As you can see in this video that there is a notch which is facing towards the north. You have to start from that terminal counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is how you have to name the terminals starting from the notch. Now the question arises that where will we find its application? The frequency that I am getting over here is 3 Hz so that it can be clearly visible. This can be used to do any of the objects or any of the things, for example to give any message, to give any signal or anything. Now this IC 555, this can be modified and different sets of values of resistors and capacitors will give you different sets of frequencies. For example, it can be used as an inverter also, where you will just be needing a transformer and 2 or 3 MOSFETs according to your ease. So this is how we can find its application. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any queries, then you can mail us. Please subscribe to our channel for encouraging us, and please like our Facebook page. So this is how we have to make a blinking LED circuit. Goodbye to all of you, and we'll come up with a new video soon.